Good morning, children. Let us start with our new topic of computer, that is chapter 2, file management and organization of data, part 1. File management, organization of data. It is very important to know about managing the file and folders in computer. Windows 10 is very advanced and it is very easy to manage files and folders. You can explore, search, save, and delete the file and folder. Now, let us learn the steps of saving a file. If you want to save your file in any folder or a disk in computer, then take steps shown here. Click on a file tab. Click on the save, select the disk and the folder where you want to save your file. For example, you can select the desktop, give us a specific name to your file so that you can identify it. For example, we can give the name data file, then click on the save button. Thus, your file will be saved in computer and you can open and use next time. Now, we will learn about steps of opening a file. If you want to open previous created file or any folder in a computer, then take the steps as shown here. Click on a file tab. Select the folder where is your file. For example, we can open the last saved file on the desktop. Double click on the file icon. Thus the file will open on the screen. Now transferring the data from one to another drive. Sometimes you need to copy file or folder from one place to another on the computer. Remember that you cannot keep a duplicate file or a folder with the same name in a folder. You can copy it and keep it the duplicate file or a folder in any other folder or a disk. For example, if you want to copy a folder made final project 2016-17 from E drive and keep the same as the duplicate in G drive, then the steps are shown as here. Click on the File Explorer in the tab menu. Explore the drive or a folder in which your original file or folder is existing. We can find the final project 2016 and 2017 folder in A drive. Click it. To select the right click of the mouse and select the copy option from the right click menu. No more. You can also use Ctrl+C key as a shortcut for copying the file or a folder. Now pasting a file or a folder. Once you copied file or a folder, you require to be paste where you want to keep the duplicate of it. By use of the copy command, the file or a folder go to the hidden temporary memory known as clipboard. So if you had to copy any file or a folder, you can paste it in many places by using paste command. The method of pasting is known here. Click on the File Explorer in a Start menu and explore the disk or a folder where you want to keep duplicate file or a folder. For example, we can explore the F drive. Right click with the mouse and select the paste option from the right click menu. Then your file or a folder appears as shown here. No more. You can also use Ctrl+C key as the shortcut for copying the file or folder. Moving a file or a folder. When you copy, paste a file or folder, a duplicate file or a folder is created. If you wanted to move a file or a folder from one place to another, you can use the cut and the paste command. The paste command you will be used as the same in copy command in a previous instance. Let us learn how to use the cut command from moving a file or a folder. Open the File Explorer and select the file or a folder that you want to move. Right click by the mouse and select the cut option from the right click menu. Go to the text or a folder where you want to keep the shifted file or a folder. Then use the paste command using the right click menu. Thus, the file or a folder will be copied to the new destination and will be removed from the original place. No more. You can also use Ctrl plus X key as a shortcut in a place of cut command, working with multiple applications. When it comes to managing the multiple application windows, one of the most common tasks that you perform in the Windows operating system, Windows 10, really it at all. The new tasks menu, virtually desktop features make it easy for you to spread out multiple applications. We enhanced the snap features provided you with a great way to view and work with multiple applications from the same screen. This